So this is the giveaway prize I received, which was conducted on the Women's Day on Instagram by Narita Di. Her Instagram handle is called the Memory Snapper. So I didn't get to open the box, but today I'm going to do this. Let's see. Finally this is open. Wow. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. This is a postcard. I'm in love with this. So the postcard reads, "There are as many forms of love as there are moments in time." This is beautiful, and she has a lovely message for me, which of course I can't read for you all. This. Let's open the package. Okay. So the first thing I've received is this. Let's open it. It's a beautiful book sleeve. Oh my god. The book sleeve, as you must have seen that she had made a video of all the items that are going to be included in the box, and book sleeve wasn't there, so it's a surprise from her. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is so pretty, and you can see it's from Books and Beyond. This is so cute. I love book sleeves. Thank you so much. The next item, she has packed each and every item. Oh my god. The washi tapes. There are 3 washi tapes. This is my first set of washi tapes I always wanted to have. They're so pretty. Next item. Took so much of paint. Hamlet. It's really nice. It's a pocket Hamlet. I love the color. Keep it here. Next thing. A set of coasters from Seedhi Jalebi. Very beautiful, as you can see. Next item. This is the Piranesi tote bag, which is very beautiful, as you can see. May your paths be safe, your floors unbroken, and may the house fill your eyes with beauty. Recently I bought Piranesi from someone on Instagram only, and I didn't get the bag then, of course, and now I have the bag, so it completes my set. It's amazing. Next item. I'm so grateful, actually. I won the giveaway. Like, so lucky, so lucky, so lucky. What are these? Oh god. Oh, the cat paw sticky note and the bookmarks. These are so pretty. I've never had any bookmark like these. Like, they are magnetic designs, okay, so you can use them like over the pages. They're so so useful. Never had any magnet bookmarks. Okay, the next item. I have never ending so many of them. Oh my god. Notepads. Yes, so cute. And they have pages of 4 types, like checked, lines and blank, dotted. And yeah, I was very excited to receive them because they're so cute. And the second type is this, strawberry. Again, they have 3 kind of pages, like blank and dotted, I guess, like with book bullets, and strawberry, simple strawberry. The layouts are so nice. Okay, now let's come to the book. Yes, so the book was supposed to be The Hate You Give Us by Angie Thomas. Now this book is really famous, and I haven't read anything on similar topic, that is on the lives of African American people in America and the discrimination they face over there. I haven't read anything, so this will be my first, and I'm very excited and very eager to read it. Yeah, there it is. This is beautiful. The book is so pretty, and of course it's on a very important topic. As you can see, it's a very important topic, very important in today's world. Last year there was a huge movement for Black Lives Matter, and of course this has been a very important issue over the centuries. So very, very important. The next is login card handcrafted. So this is supposed to be candles, scented candles, and I haven't used any scented candles ever. Not on bookish candles or any kind of scented candles. So this will be my first. I'm so new to the Bookstagram. Also, there's all kind of bookish merches. I'm so lucky that I received this. Oh my god, this is All Stories Are True. Okay, this is from Whispering Flames. It smells amazing. Oh my god. I don't know if I will ever use this because I will feel so guilty of using this. I don't know. I sound very stupid, but yeah, this is so nice, and it's vegan. It's hand poured soy candy. Next is again another bag. I have bags inside boxes. I have so many gifts. Okay. Wow. French lavender. Oh, this is another surprise because this wasn't in the video, IGTV video either. This is so nice. Lavender, so nice, so nice. Smells amazing. Boogie perfume. Okay. I don't know how do you pronounce that, but okay. It's French lavender and smell is amazing, and I love this. And this is again a surprise because I didn't know it would come. You can see. Thank you. Okay, another. I'm guessing this is bookmark. This is a bookmark by the. She took so much trouble by packing this individually. This is beautiful. It's the drop. There are 5 bookmarks over here. This is so nice and so big. Let's see. I love bookmarks. I'm making a collection now because there's so handy and so useful. Of course, you can't read a book without a bookmark, whether it's academic or anything. Next is another bookmark. This is cloth bookmark actually. You can see, and it's so beautiful. Like blue is my favorite color, and you can see this is amazing. This is, what is this? Oh, okay, yeah, I guess I know what is this, and I have some idea. It's open. She took so much pain packing these things. I've come across on Bookstagram. Okay, the playbook journal, yes. So first one is this, the playbook journal, and as far as I remember, this was a part of the TBV, the big book box, the TBV box, and it came with the book Anna K, I guess, and it is based on some part of the novel, some plot line of the novel, and I haven't read Anna K, but let's see inside. This playbook belongs to, of course, me. Amazing. Look at the illustration. It's beautiful, and it has a user guide, and all the characters are there. Okay, I can. I think this is Jamie Lannister, Nicholas Waldo Costa. What do you think? Is it? I haven't watched Game of Thrones, but it is so famous. This is Mr. Darcy. Has to be. This is Mr. Darcy. Pride and Prejudice is my favorite. I guess this could be, of course, I believe this is Elizabeth Bennet. Okay, there are all the characters over here, and maybe some of them I don't know, but amazing. Wow. I wish I knew all the characters. Oh, this is Hercule Poirot, of course. And I guess the illustration is based on the movie. I forgot the name of the director, I guess. I wish I knew all the characters. Oh, this is Hamlet, of course, the famous scene with the skull and all. This is Gandalf, of course. This is Gandalf the White, Gandalf the Grey, or Gandalf the White, because he became Gandalf the White later on in the movie. Oh, this is amazing. This is very beautiful. There is the list of characters. I guess I got some of them. Yeah, I got Jamie Wright and Mr. Darcy, Elizabeth, and which one else? Gandalf, of course, Gandalf from. I'll go through all of them. This is so beautiful, and look at the binding. I mean, golden color note journal is not something you will come across very common. The second one, oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is another notebook, and I cannot describe, but the cover is really new to me. This is cloth. This cloth bound, and it's very beautiful, and you can see the watermarks all over, and had golden embossing. There is a ribbon for the bookmark. This is something I love. I really don't come across this kind of thing nowadays. This is another bookmark, the second one, second notebook. It's very beautiful. I'll put it across. Okay, lastly, I think this is the last item. Yeah. This is another candle, I believe. This is another scented candle from Login Handcraft. Yeah, this is called Hakuna Matata from Lion King, of course. Famous saying, yes. It means don't worry. be. Oh, smells amazing, and it is hand poured, of course, but I wish I could describe the smell. Sandalwood is part of it. I guess sandalwood, of course, is there because sandalwood, I can't smell sandalwood. It's very nice. Okay, so we come to an end, and you can see this. Finally, we are done. This huge box over there. The postcard is again. She has written something for me, and this is so beautiful. A postcard, you can see. I wish I could read the whole message, but at least I can read a part. It is congratulations on winning the Women's Day giveaway. Okay. So we are done.